a bucket of fate. I'm gonna make it somehow, past the fire, past the sounds. Moonshot through the clouds, saddle up, 'cause there's no stopping me now. No stopping me. No stopping me now. And when it's gone and this facade just falls away, gonna take this shot, giving heaven and hell, give them all we got, yeah. I'm gonna make it somehow, past the fire, past the sounds. Moonshot through the clouds, saddle up, 'cause there's no stopping me now. No stopping me. No stopping me. Turning over the stones, riding high and behold. No stopping me. Stepping into the now, never worried about the how. No stopping me now.
I'm dirty jeans and a 4x4, cruising down to your front door. From a closest pack and a whiskey neat, some dive bar right up the street. I'm a good old boy and a country star. No one else can go this far. Come on, babe, go with me, riding high, living free. Don't ask once and don't think twice, 'cause baby, I'm living the life. I'm a western swing on an old jukebox, a tailgate party in a parking lot. I'm rowdy rough, big and grown, I get it done all on my own. I'm a good old boy and a country star. No one else can go this far. Come on, babe, and go with me, riding high, living free. Don't ask once and don't think twice, 'cause baby, I'm living the life. I'm a cowboy hat, a ripped up shirt, tractor pulling out in the dirt. Hot cup of coffee with a cigarette, pretty little thing sitting on my hip. I'm a good old boy